Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you ladies and gentlemen? My name is Roswati. I am a postgraduate student in Public Health at Haloleo Kendari University. I will present a journal titled HIV/AIDS Present Kendari City, Southeast Sulawesi Province, Indonesia. I will show that the first is the background, the second is the methodology, the third is the result of the fourth discussion, and the fifth is the conclusion. Background: HIV/AIDS has become the world's highest health problem. Asia is ranked second, which has 36.9 million cases. The city of Kendari in the first 5 years has number of HIV positive cases. In 2019 was reported as 34 cases. AIDS, the number of cases was 23 cases, which consisted of 11 sub-districts in Kendari. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, is a type of virus that attacks or infects white blood cells, which causes the human immune system to decline. AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome, is a collection of symptoms of disease that occurs due to decreased immunity caused by infection with HIV. HIV/AIDS transmission: sexual, contaminated needles from positive mother to baby, transfusion of HIV-infected blood, unprotected vaginal sex, oral sex, and preseminal fluids and breast milk. Methodology: this study uses data from the Indonesia government. Data on HIV/AIDS cases were obtained from the Kendari City Health Office in 2015 and 2019. Result, graphic number 2. The surveillance result in graph 1 above show that the number of reported positive HIV cases from year to year has fluctuated, and in 2019 were reported as many as 34 cases. In 2019, AIDS cases were reported. In 2018, as many as 27 cases. Cumulative AIDS cases were 2019 as many as 23 cases. Graphic number 2. The result of the surveillance in the graph 2 show that HIV positive patients in men were 79.41% and women were 20.59%. The AIDS sufferers are 73.91% in men and 26.09% in women. Graphic number 3. The result of surveillance in the graph 3 depicting new cases of AIDS by age show that most of the new cases of AIDS are in the age of 20 to 29 years old. 30.43% is age 30 to 39 years. 43.48% is age 40 to 49 years. 17.39% and 50 to 59 years old are 4.35%. This age group belongs to the sexually active productive age and includes the age group that uses injecting drugs. In the addition, AIDS transmission is still found from mother to child is indicated by the discovery of AIDS cases in the age group less than 4 years. Graphic number 4. Surveillance result in graphic 4 percentage of Kendari city area by district. Kendari 5%, Kendari Barat 8%, Mandonga 8%, Baruga 18%, Puatu 16%, Kadia 3%, Huahua 4%, Huasia 16%, Abeli 5%, Kambu 8%, and Nambo 9%. Discussion: Graph 2 above show the number of positive HIV cases in 2019 reported. As many as 34 cases, AIDS as many as 23 cases. Graph 2 show that HIV positive patients in men were 79.41% and women were 20.59%. The AIDS sufferers score 73.91% in men and 26.09% in women. Graph 3 differed AIDS cases by age in 2019. The highest age was 39 years, 43.48%. Graph 4 Kendari city area presented by district, the largest and the smallest. The largest area is Baruga, 18%, and the smallest is Kadia, 3%. Conclusion: positive fiber sufferers in men are 79.41% and women 20.59%. The AIDS sufferers 23.91% men and 26.09% women. The vulnerable age for HIV/AIDS is 30 to 39 years old, 43.48%. Okay, thank you. This was the result of my journal presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.